Good morning, everybody. It's Jean here, Jean True Love from True Love Quilts for You. Hope you're not getting sick of seeing me. Just a few minute video that I just had to put up because I'm just overwhelmed. Just the other day, yesterday was it? I put up a video on that my quilt was being accepted. I'm sitting down actually because I wanted you to notice that this is my Dresden plate, my Dear Jean quilt. I'm sitting down to show you this Dresden plate part of my quilt that I have done. If any of you are new here and are just tuning in, real quick, this is a quilt that I've made with my YouTube friends here, a sampler quilt, a beginner quilt for the last 6 or 7 months or so. I finished my quilt. We did it step by step, week by week. There's playlists that you can make this quilt yourself. With your fabric selection. I go over every single solitary part of this quilt with you. I had entered it into a local quilt show, and yesterday I read you the message that I had been accepted, and I was all excited. I get excited over these things, and I wanted to share it with you. Well, I just wanted to share with you today, sitting here in front of my Dresden plate, to come right after right after I talk here for a few minutes. I received an email. I just received it. And this is from a woman named Joanne. And I had asked quite a few of you, one of my last videos that I had put up, to share pictures of your quilt, whether in progress. I put that video up and it was well received and everybody loved it, brought tears to everybody's eyes to how many people followed along with me and made their own variation of the quilt. I have received more pictures and I will be putting those photographs up and sharing them with you as I compile those, as people send me their quilts, their finished pictures of their quilts, because I realize that everybody's timetable is different and I want to include as many people as I can on this little Dear Jean YouTube Friends quilting adventure. But I did get this email and I wanted to share it with you because it's just so awesome. This is from a Joanne T. Joanne, you know who you are. I just received this. I'm so excited that you got good news about your quilt. I knew you would. It is a beautiful work of art. Thank you. I have a bit of an update on my quilt. I thought my Dresden plate, this is the Dresden plate block that Joanne had made, was a bit plain. So thanks to you and your family for your inspiration, I embroidered some of your inspiring words on it. My inspiring words, the words that I repeat over and over and over. You'll see them. Pinch and pull. Ian Jean Maxwell. Oh my word. I just got a kick out of that. I have now found some fabric for the borders. So next week my borders and flying geese go on. I will keep you posted. Joanne T, you have made my day. My repetitiveness and my babbling and my waffling on has been immortalized in thread by Joanne T. I just had to share that with you. I got the greatest kick out of that. And as you know, I try to answer every video, every comment that I get. Because I always say, you're so kind in taking the time to comment to me. Why wouldn't I thank you? I have though received hundreds of comments and congratulations on my quilt being entered. So as you saw, I just heart because I would just be saying repetitively thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I do hope you realize that every single one of your congratulations is appreciated, and I'm humbled that you had faith in me that my quilt would be accepted. It was really exciting, and I get excited over these little things. I will be, again, I don't know if Jen will be able to go with me, but Ian Maxwell and I will be at the Greater Oaks Convention Center, the Expo Center in Oaks, Pennsylvania, September 16th to the 19th. I don't know which date we were going to go because of Ian's work schedule, but I will let you know. But I just wanted to share this with you. I'm going to put the picture of Joanne's Dresden plate and my words. Oh my word. And remember, pinch and pull. and others. I just got a kick out of it, and I really, really appreciate it, Joanne T, and all of you folks, for supporting me. I always say it, for supporting me and being loyal, and we all having a laugh. We all having a laugh. Thank you so very much, and I hope you're all having a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love for the true loves.